These days, it's incredibly easy to make purchases online using your Android phone. You just log into a website or you just add something to your cart and your phone will automatically fill in all of your payment details. But all of that payment information, including your credit card number, your address, all of that stuff is stored within Google Chrome. You want to make sure when you use that feature that it is as secure as possible and you're not accidentally giving away information that you don't mean to give away or potentially opening yourself up to somebody else accessing that. So let's hop into Google Chrome and fix all those issues. So open up the Google Chrome app on your Android phone. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on Settings at the bottom. Scroll down and first tap on Payment Methods. You can see it shows your payment methods if you scroll down. Any credit cards or debit cards that you've linked to your Google account as well as Google Chrome. Scroll up on here and we're going to make two changes. One is save security codes. Check out faster and save your CVC credit card code. I would highly recommend turning this off. And the reason for that is that CVV code or CVC code on the back of your credit card essentially prevents anybody, if they accidentally got access or maliciously got access to your credit card number, they won't know the code on the back. This is especially important if someone else is on your phone or someone else got your credit card information. They won't know that 3-digit or 4-digit code on the back. So you want to manually enter that in every single time so you can make sure someone else isn't maliciously using that and checking out. Next, we're going to tap on Verify It's You to autofill payment methods. For added protection, always use your fingerprint, face, or other screen lock to autofill the payment method. So just turn this on and enter in the code for your phone. And you'll be able to see every single time you want to autofill that payment information, it will require your face or a PIN or your fingerprint, something like that. Essentially, this means it won't accidentally autofill all of that payment method if you go to checkout or someone else is on your phone and they go to checkout and use your payment method to buy something. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow at the top left. And instead of that, let's scroll down and tap on Autofill Services. You can see it says on here, it will use Google to autofill information like your passwords, passkey, and payment methods. If you're okay with this, you can keep Google as autofilling that information, or you could choose to turn that off if you choose to do so. Now, let's go back here. And from here, instead of that, let's scroll up and go to Privacy and Security. On here, let's scroll down and you can see certain things. One is Advanced Protection. Tap on where it says Manage in Android Settings and make sure to turn on Advanced Protection. This will help prevent anybody from gaining access to your credit card information no matter what website you go to, and it enables a number of different things like secure connections that are required for you to be able to enter in that credit card information. So at the bottom, make sure to turn on Device Protection. And then let's go back and scroll down as well. You can see Access Payment Methods. Allow sites to check if you have payment methods saved in Google Chrome. Now, I don't necessarily want websites to be able to check and see if I have a credit card linked to Google Chrome. This is something that I want to be able to initiate on my own free will if I choose to check out and buy something on a website. So I would recommend turning this feature off, but you've also turned on, in addition to that, safe browsing and advanced data protection, so we can be sure that any website that you visit won't gain access to that credit card information. And all the other steps that we've done will help secure your payment method and your credit card or debit card from anyone else being able to use it maliciously. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.